Hello there, athletes. In this video, we have a digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of matching coefficients. Let's solve this question. By the way, let's talk about a little bit of meaning of coefficient. Coefficient means that it's the number technically in front of the variable. For instance, if I will just talk about it, let's say 3x squared plus 5y plus, let's say, 12x and y. And if I would ask you, what's the coefficient of this term? The number in front of the x squared is 3, so the coefficient is 3. And in this case, what's the coefficient of the second term, which is 5y? It is 5, the number in front of the variable. What's the coefficient of 12xy, this term? It has two variables, doesn't matter. We're looking at the number in front, which is 12. These are all coefficients. Okay, so, and while you're studying these, you need to have a better understanding, especially for the SAT, what coefficients. There will be definitely questions from this topic, so you need to know what the coefficient means. So I'm just gonna delete these. We don't need them for the solution. That's why I'll just take them off. So let's read the question and solve it together. The equation 12 times in parentheses u plus y times 8 times in parentheses u squared minus y is equals to a times u squared plus 12u plus 48. What is true for all values of u? What is the value of y? So it's true for all values of u. To solve this, we will just do the distribution, and we will distribute 12 into parentheses here, and we will also distribute this to 8 into parentheses, and we'll go from there. 12 times u is 12u plus 12 times y is 12y plus 8 times u squared is 8u squared minus 8y is equals to 8u squared plus 12u plus 48. In this, on the left side of the equation, we have 12y and 8y. The other terms are not like terms, so we cannot combine them. But we can combine 12y by negative 8y. When you take away 8y from 12y, you will end up with 4y. So let's go ahead and write it. The rest, 12u stays, 8y plus 8u squared is equals to 8u squared plus 12u plus 48. In this part of the problem, I'm going to use a different color. It's so easy. If you will just pay attention, we have 8u squared. I will just underline them once. We have on the both sides of the equation. So if we will take him away, the equation will be still, we will just keep the balance of the equation. So we can go ahead and do that. I'm going to take away 8u squared from both sides. So these will be canceling. Same thing with the 12u, because if I will underline twice, you will see that if you will just take away 12u, because you have same thing on the each side of the equation, so you can just get rid of them, and what do you end up with? 8y is equals to 48. So now it's so easy. To get the value of y, we will divide both sides by 8. So 8 cancels this 8. Thus, the value of y will be equal to 6, because 6 times 8 is 48. This is our final answer for this one. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.